Hi, this is Katie from Crafting Ruby Dreams, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the July subscription boxes from Simply Gilded and Planything. So let me go ahead and get these cut open so I can show you what's inside. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start with Planything. So this is a European subscription box. I believe it comes from Germany, and I think it's around $43 USD. It's around 35 euros. I remember it's somewhere around in there. So this is the second box that they have sent out, and unfortunately for financial reasons and cutting back on stuff, I had to cancel. But after just the June box, I am looking forward to resubscribing when my budget allows. So it's well packaged and well taped. My one aunt would be very pleased. She had a habit of taping everything down at Christmas. So, and I do like the special delivery that is a nice little touch of theirs. So definitely cute packaging. And so this is how it comes. You get this nice little card. Let's see, there we go. Floral Beach for the July theme. And here's what it has. It says, "Hi, thank you for purchasing the Floral Beach Planything box. This box includes 6 A6 sticker sheets, 4 double-sided A5 paper sheets, 8 washi tape, 0.75 centimeters by 10 meters, 2 paper clips, 1 traveler notebook, 1 notebook with dotted paper, and 1 pen." So there we go. All right, let me get rid of the box. And just simple blue bag, but it's nice. It's a nice little packaging, and the color goes well with the theme. It's stickered shut. Oops, here. All right, so, and that is in the bag. Let's go with the A6 sticker sheet. And this is more than half boxes, so squares, and a couple of quarter boxes. These are decorative frames, floral. More deco with the sea theme. I do like the seahorse. Let's see if I can zoom in on this seahorse. Oops. See the flowers in it? That's really cute. And then island themed stickers, deco stickers. More deco. Life is better in flip-flops. As I am wearing flip-flops today, I highly agree. Amazing day, day at the beach, time to relax, sunshine. Beach please, beach hair don't care, fun in the sun, sunny day, catch a wave. And the last of the floral sheets. So very pink on this sheet, which goes in well with the A5 paper. So each of these are individually wrapped, which is really attention to detail packaging, and I really like. So we've got more pineapples. I believe this was on one of the sticker sheets, and they're, let's see, go ahead and zoom in. Flowers that make up the pineapples, really cute. And the back is this floral. So this is really great if you want to make a dashboard. You can laminate just the one sheet and have a two-sided dashboard. Or scrapbooking, if you're into that. So, beach scene, and ooh, mermaid on the back. Again, made out of little florals. I don't know if you can see all of the little detailed florals in there, but it's really, really well done. And there's a frame, floral. And on the back, the seahorses. I can't maybe see, yeah, you can see the floral detailing of the seahorse better in that one. And this is just leaves. with the pink florals on the back. All right, the washi tape. Here we have the 8th, so it looks like it's all 7 millimeters, 7.5 millimeters. There we go. Slightly better. But again, so let me repeat. So it's the green leaves pattern, a pink floral pattern, waves, seahorses, mermaids, pineapples, another pink floral pattern, and the stripes with all the colors. 2 paper clips. This time around it's seahorse and flower. So very cute. I will definitely use these. I've been using these in my Amplify planner and really liking them. Traveler's notebook. So this came separately. So I'm gonna have to, let me do that really quick. There we go. Pull that. Okay. So that's all set. So you've got the cover. So this is a very soft, floppy cover. If that is a thing for you, if you wanted a firmer cover, this does not appear to be it. But on the inside, you have wave pattern. You've got the floral pattern on the side of the pockets. So 1 pocket on each side. And Planything is embossed right down in here. It's hard. Let me see if I can get that up there. Yeah, there you go. You can kind of see that with that contrast. And pink, so you've got a lot of cords. So you've got 6 cords. So you can fit in a lot of little notebooks. And this is, does not say, but I'd say this doesn't seem like A5. Okay, so this is a moleskin kahir, and this is a little too tall. So, yeah. So this is too tall. This is May Designs, and this is also too tall. So this does not appear to be A5. It's definitely not A5. And for B6, I don't have a whole lot of B6. This is the Simply Gilded B6. So this, yeah, so this is B6. I'm still learning these sizes for the Traveler's Notebook. So this is roughly the same size. Little teensy bit taller. It's really hard to see. There we go. So about that much taller. But yeah, so this would be good for about a B6 size notebook. If you were going to continue on getting the subscription, you can put their notebooks in there very easily. Oh, the pen, before I do the washi. So we've got the pen, and let's see, we've got, let's see, we get the plan. So it is engraved on the clip Planything. And it's a cute color. It's definitely something that I think I would use. I don't know that I would super carry it around. And it's just a roll out pen. Let's go ahead and test. Let's see. Test in the back. Yeah, that writes very smoothly. It's typical black ballpoint pen. Nothing super exciting about it, but not bad. All right, now let's roll out. So that is all of them. Let me zoom in. That's as far as I can zoom in, so let me bring this closer so you can see the stripes and the differences in the floral, pink floral washi, and then the differences in the seahorse and the mermaid. That is it for the Planything July subscription box. And up next, Simply Gilded. Okay, so here we have the July subscription box from Simply Gilded. The theme is Lullaby Moon. Let me see if I can get the, there we go. The box is really cute, but I don't ever save these because I just do not have the space in a studio apartment. So this is just excellent, excellent packaging and attention to detail. Like even at the side here. So it's just really gorgeous. All right, I will do my best to not spoil the surprise. So let me quickly check. Okay, so I have taken the mystery item out of the pouch and we are all good to go, and I'm losing the light because the storm's coming in. So I'm gonna move through this really quickly. We got new packaging for the washi. And I won't do a rollout of this washi just because of the issue with the light going really low. But hopefully we'll be able to see. Let's see. So here we have the journaling card, which is so cute. I love this. I love her journal cards. And I love the foiling. It's just gorgeous. Here is the washi for, this is the standard kit because I do get the 5mm add-on. I may do, let's see, yeah, do it one at a time. Zoom in as best I can. All right, this lighting is really, really low. This is not the best lighting, but kind of get the glitter. Yeah, for that reason alone, I'll keep it because you can see the glitter of the washi and the foiling. So, yay. All right, and then can do the others. We've got the 15mm and 10mm. Okay, so can we get that? Oh man, this lighting sucks. I definitely have to invest in better lighting when I can. So this is pink and this has got music score foil. So we've got the, I forget what that term is, but the music bars. And then this is the perforated washi with bill due, home, header information, and then silver moons. There we go. And here is the 5mm washi. I am very much looking forward to playing with this ombre. And then this is a blue, it's all got silver foiling. So this is blue with the leaf pattern that she tends to have, stars and vertical hearts. All right, time for the pouch. This lighting that I have is not the best, but it is what I have. So we have owls on the inside. I like owls, but I don't know that I like this pattern that much, so we'll see. I might, well, it's not a bad clutch. It's well designed, it's vegan leather, but I might have a friend that I can pass this on to if I decide not to keep it. And then here we have the clip, and this clip has, I need to get overhead lighting because you can't see it that well. It's velvet bow with a little crystal-esque, I guess that's the best way, moon and silver music note. And I love the pen design. This I'm definitely keeping. So we've got blue and pink ombre with a lot of lovely glitter. Let's see if we can get that going. You can kind of see that with that lighting. And then silver stars and moon, so that is really cute. And we've got the vellum and the acetate. All right, got the vellum and the acetate, and the vellum is actually got foiling on it. I can't remember if her other vellums had foiling, but this has moon and music note. Moon and music notes are foiled on this. And then have the acetate with, again, moon, stars, and music notes. So really cute. Here's the B6 notebook with silver foiling. Really love that. Okay, And here we have the stickers. So we've got the today, this is again silver foiling, so there you can see it. A lot of owls. Again, I'm not sure that I actually like this design of owl. I'm not opposed to owls. This just particular style is not necessarily my style, which is fine. So, and I love this moon. This I love, with the florals. Let's see if I can get here we go. So that's just gorgeous. And here are the seals. And it looks like it's silver and rose gold in the center. So let's see. Yeah, there we go. And here we have date stickers, icons, and another set of boxes. All right, so that is then the last of the and tape situation. This is clear. It's not really washi tape, but it's a clear tape with foiling, and this is a confetti pack. And Irene made the demonstration with the acetate sheet of how and this feels like heavier than her other acetate sheets. She turned this into a shaker, and it's not a thing for me. So I'm not sure what, if anything, I'm gonna do with this, but I appreciate her demonstration of what could be done. So if you don't want to be spoiled for the mystery item, you can turn away now. Otherwise, you go into this with your eyes wide open. And okay, this is your last chance to turn away before I reveal the mystery item for this month's, the July Lullaby Moon kit from Simply Gilded. And this month's mystery item is a Jelly Roll metallic pen. So this, I think, is the Stardust line. And let me test really quickly in Planything. Oops. I think this is blue. I think this is I think this is the blue ink, or it's not full on silver. I think this is blue. So I do have a few of these already. So it's very shiny, very glittery, and it's great on if you've got, well, works great on white paper, but also works great if you've got, say, the Archer and Olive blackout journal or their craft journal. So, but I do like the sparkliness of it. And that is it. Those are the July subscription boxes from Planything and Simply Gilded. Thank you so much for joining me. If you found any of this information useful, please hit that like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please let me know in the comments what ideas you have. And if you would like to be notified when I have new videos available, please hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to get those notifications. Thank you so much. This is Katie from Crafting Ruby Dreams. I hope you have a great day, and may all your dreams be Ruby dreams.